What is up, guys? It's your boy, the God Gamer himself, Harriet, and it's Friday, and you know what that means. It's now time for our bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And today, we are taking a look at hindi Expedition 33. Mag-confirm lang tayo dito, but we're taking a look at Maninilit, the latest movie offering of the Viva Max platform. Now, what is Maninilit? Well, Maninilit is a movie starring Ariel Carmelo, Ashley Lopez. Ashley Lopez, I think, was in Malagkit. Medyo mataba pa siya doon. Oh, nagkaroon siya ng pumayat siya dito eh. Kamukha niya yung kilala ko nung kolehiyo eh. Tapos, may bago dito, Renoa Halili. Oh, langya eh, no? Katunog, Renoa Hearty. Parang I assume na Final Fantasy fan siguro nagbigay ng screen name nito. Or siya mismo Final Fantasy 8 fan. Kasi, napakalapit eh. Napakalapit, Renoa Heartly. Ano bang Pilipinong way para maging katunog ang Heartly? Halili. Renoa Halili. Ayun. Di ko rin sure kung kamag-anak niya si Katrina o si Sheena. Pero tatlo na yung kilala kong artista na Halili. Which is really coincidental talaga. Ayun. It also stars Chester Gresha. You know him from Tayuan, Halo Halo X. Kasi yung Halo Halo X. Oh, kay Melissa. Yeah. Nasa Pilya rin siya. Ano rin siya, alam ko nasa ano siya eh. Chester Gresha. Saan nga ba nauso si... Saan pa ba? May Chester Gresha. Yeah, yung Punit na Langit, which is really good movie. And speaking of good movie, this one's a good movie. This one's a really good movie para sa akin. It stars the story of Ariel Carmelo, ang pangalan na dito, Alex. Okay. He is a photographer. Meron siyang Sony Alpha. Yun yung kanyang mirrorless camera. So, kung di nyo alam, ang Sony Alpha, mamahalin yun. So, for an amateur photographer having his own studio and a Sony Alpha mirrorless camera, I think it's getting ends meet. Meron siya ay isang womanizer or isang womanizer. The movie starts with him banging a female client. Ang pangalan ng female client ay Leandra Posadas. Not familiar. Pero yun. It seems like this movie is going to this gimmick na sesideline niya pagiging photographer para makakuha ng chicks. Pero hindi talaga. Medyo ma-charm lang siya sa mga babae. At mahilig siyang kumain sa karinderya next door na pinamamahalaan ni Martha. Why did you say that name? Played by Ashley Lopez. Si Martha ay may asawang pulis. Ang pangalan ng asawang pulis niya ay Berto. Notable freak, Berto. Yeah, notable freak. Malakas ang kapit, dating pulis pala. So, dati siyang pulis pero may mga tropang pulis. Kaya malakas ang kapit. Malakas ang angas. Ngayon, kumain itong si Alex sa karinderya ni Martha. Gusto niya mag-CR, hinatid siya ni Martha sa CR at nagtalik sila. Nakatalik lang ni Alex dun sa kliyente na pinag-ibida or tinay ni yung kliyente na si Leandra. Tapos, ngayon, nagtalik siya kay Martha dun sa CR. Chick boy pala talaga to. Okay, so ginagawa ni Martha parang revenge sex na abang inaabuso siya ni Berto. Ngayon, dahil for some unknown reason, yung dati nilang kasama, helper, na si Joy, umalis, nag-resign. Ang dahilan kaya nag-resign, di natin alam, pero ina-assume natin na may kinalaman ito kay Berto kasi he is a notable prick At nagpasok sila ng bagong helper. At ito ay si Luisa, played by Rinoa Halili. So, iba ang dating ni Luisa. Okay? Na love at first sight itong si Alex sa kanya. Bakit na love at first sight? Dito na darating ang kwento ng paninilip. Sinilipan niya gamit ang kanyang mirrorless camera habang nag-ibigay si Luisa dun sa may bintana. At nakaramdam si Luisa na binovoyeur siya ni Alex or nung kapitbahay at agad niyang tinakpan ng kanyang katawan. Si Alex gumagawa ng move. Sinakatid niya sa palengke si Luisa, papakilala. We know that Luisa has some maganda yung intentions niya. Gusto niya mag-Dubai. Diba? At nag-alok si Alex kasi since photographer siya, kaya niya kunin yung visa picture for Luisa. He's like the ultimate simp. At sa tindi ng pagsisimp ni Mr. Alex kay Luisa, nakulog ang loob ni Luisa, pero ito ay nalaman ni Marta. So sa isang instance, inabuso siya ni Berto. They got rock sex kung saan pinasok ni Berto yung bote ng beer sa koday ni Marta. Nag-revenge sex siya kay Alex. Pinuntahan niya doon sa studio niya. Nagtalik sila. Nalaman ni Marta na hindi ganado si Alex ngayon na magtalik. So, dahil matanda na siya, gusto niya mas bata at hindi isa pa. Ginagamit lang naman ni Marta si Alex as parausan, so hindi naman siya nagsiselos. By the way, yung sa karinderya, ang combo palagi ni Alex na ino-order niya ay torta o tortang talong. Ayaw siyang tortang talong saka sinigang. Try ko nga siguro gawin ko. Ngayon, bad trip itong si Alex kasi si Berto minumolest pala niya si Luisa. Naunahan siya ni Berto sa pag-i-score kay Luisa. Na-frustrate siya. Kasi sinilipan niya pumunta siya sa mismong bahay, sumilip sa bintana, nakita niya si Berto, nakikipagtalo kay Luisa. At ang malala doon, pinagtanggaan pa siya ni Berto. Kinakasay yung baril sa harap niya. Alam pala ni Berto na sinilipan sila ni Alex nung isang gabi. Ayun. So, ang lakas ng dating nito ni Berto no? At hindi lang doon natatapos ang mga pang-aabuso ni Berto sa kasama niya. So, meron pang instance, lasing na lasing si Berto, pinaglaruan niya si Luisa sa si Marta. Si Luisa si Marta, nagiging close na close sila sa isa't isa, nagiging magkaibigan na, ate na ang tawagan nila sa isa't isa, mas pinaglaruan sila ni Berto. Si Luisa lumapit kay Alex at ito yung payoff ng kanila ng pag-romance or parang panliligaw ni Alex. Nakipagtarik na rin siya kay Luisa at may ginawa silang plano para makabawi kay Berto. Para makabawi umano kay Berto, ito yung plano. Ito na yung ending mismo So, pinagbukang wala si Marta's pamamahay. So, sinamantala ulit ni Berto itong si Luisa. At nagtatalik sila. Dumating si Maninilip, si Alex. Pinicturean niya si Luisa habang nagtatalik, habang hinaharurot ni Berto. Tapos, ang dating, kumuha ng kutsilyo itong si Luisa, pinagsasalaksak si Berto, namatay si Berto. Ayun. Sinabi niya at dito na may mapupuntahan si Luisa naman balang araw. Namatay si Berto, hinuli si Luisa, pero since ginamit si Maninilip, si Alex, yung camera niya para palabasin na self-defense yung ginawa, ay napawalang sala itong si Luisa. Ngayon, kinamusta ni Alex, si Marta na lang yung nagtitinda. Tinanong niya si Luisa, lumaya na pero nawala na daw. Parang nawala in the face of the earth. Hindi na nagparamdam. May binigay si si Martha kay Alex na parang souvenir o pasalubong. At dito, nakuha ni Alex muli yung kanyang lumang camera. Siguro ginawang ebidensya siguro sa krimen. At hindi na niya nabawi. At nabawi ni Luisa yun, sinoli niya kay Alex. Alex was examining to the photos. Nalaman niya na si camera doesn't lie. Yun yung nakasulat na note from Luisa na si Martha ay nasa ilalim ng kama at siya ang umabot ng kutsilyo kay Luisa. Meaning, pinagpanuhan siya at naging asset itong si Alex sa krimen. At may mga goons, kasi siguro malakas ang kapit kasi ni Berto. May mga goons, umahanap dun sa inagudgud or pumunta dun sa pagbumahay ni Martha. Si Martha nakatakas na. Ginawa na kasi for rent. At we assume mga kaibigan yun ni Berto na gustong bumawi. So si Alex nakatakas na, kami dumotor. Tapos si Martha at nakilala ng isa na ni Martha, sinundo siya ni Luisa na nakakotse na. Hindi ko alam paano, pero sige. Maybe mayaman talaga si Luisa kasi sinabi niya may plano talaga siya eh. At may mapupuntahan eh. So maybe she's from a rich family. At naghalikan si Martha at si Luisa. So, it turns out, nung nag-inuman si Martha sa si Luisa sa harap ng bahay niya habang wala si Berto, doon sila nagka-develop ng feelings. At yun ang maninilit. Napaka-simple ng kwento pero napaka-exciting. Excited ako sa mga magiging mature scenes ni Rinoa Halili sa BMX. Okay? Parang parang may ano eh. Alam mo yun, parang may purpose eh. Maganda yung mga eksena niya for first timer. Hindi siya kinakabahan, wala akong at parang isa dito, magaling din si Ashley Lopez. Alam mo si Ashley Lopez, nung malakit, napaka-husay niya. Okay? Talagang nalipugan ako dun. So, we'll see the future. The future shines bright on BMX. So, ayun, next Tuesday, may review tayo is Kiss Kiss. Kiss 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 Kiss. Ikat na ni Chris Brown. Starring Jara Laksamana, bagong retokada. Tapos si Micaela Ras. Tapos, Magwad Part 2. Na-publish ko siya accidentally. Dapat hindi ko siya pinapublish eh. Pero ang plano ko, i-premiere ko yung, nakaschedule yung review niya Sunday. Also, Crunchyroll Anime Awards is also on Sunday. Take a look at it. And bagong Detective Conan ata sa Sunday, yung episodes. New season ni Detective Conan sa Netflix. I-upload sa this Sunday sa Netflix. Yun. So, yeah, napaka serious ang week na to eh. We got a team building later today. Ngayong Friday. So before we go, let's check my build. This is Expedition 33. I think this will be Game of the Year. Walang GTA 6 eh. Tapos yung Doom, medyo alanganin eh. Madami nagreklamo sa performance eh. Easy nila eh. So tingin ko, safe to say, yung mga kalaban lang ni Expedition 33 is Kingdom Come. Kingdom Come Deliverance. Okay. So what do we have here? We're currently building Luna. Today, we are doing an Elemental Genesis build for her. So we're just going to dump all of this Lumina onto her. Ayos. And then we are going to put sa yung picto na yun. Gusto rin yung confident. We got 9 left. Okay, charging. Actually, we need this kasi nag-ano naman siya eh. Nag-hit naman siya ng weakness kasi elemental trick. Okay, so let's just go with our team here. So Currently, Direton yung naka-equip kay Ciel. I'm building her as a support. So, 180 per moon charge on next turn. Base attack gives moon charge. Problema kasi nag-start siya. Nag-start siya on morning. O di ko alam kung ito ba yung magandang pang support build sa kanya. There's a late game down na weapon sa Lumiere. So, pwede ko kunin yun. I'm currently equipping her solidifying, energizing turn, and energizing start. Tapos, puro support na. All set, intervention, dark cleansing, Grim's Harvest. Tapos, Fortune Fury. So, itong apat, damaging, ay non-damaging, they're just support. Intervention para lumipat ng magkaroon ng extra turn yung kakampi, then Fortune Fury. Para, increase damage. Then, dark cleansing, pag may buff yung ally, edi, pag may buff yung target nito, lilipat yung buff. Ang ganda ng ano eh. So, kung ano ko to, lalagay ko lahat ng greater skills sa kanya eh. So, kasi itong mga greater skills. So, kasi, pag nag-propagate, longer skills rin, no? Pag nag-propagate, yan. GG na. Okay. How about, I'm doing a Elemental Genesis build sa kanya. He's using, so parang ano lang, Elemental Drake, Elemental Genesis, and then yung iba, yun lang iikot. Thermal Transfer kasi maganda to eh. Kasi pagka Wildfire mo, thermal transfer, and you get Tsunami. Diba? I'll probably increase this to para may Earth tayo, then Revitalization per heal. I got all crit to. So I have 170% crit rate, quick break, and sweet kill. Clea's life kasi for the support. And then, mga nakikip sa kanya, active. Yan, mga nakikip sa kanya is Age of Survival. Ito pala, sniper daw pala. Inalis ko to. Di ko naman need ng sniper. Okay, we've got 19. So, ano pa pwede natin ibigay kay... ibigay dito kay Dunay. So, most likely, lahat ng mga energizer kasi need ko ng AP. So, I got energizing, energy master, energizing heal, energizing attack, energizing turn, energizing start. So, there's plus 2 AP here. Let's see. Ano ba magandang ano? Ano ba magandang ibigay ko kay Dunay? The One, malakas na yung ano niya eh. I think for her, critical kasi, I need, para Elemental Drake needs critical hits para makapag-Genital Stain. And then the next one, Elemental Genesis na kagad. I can show you how it's done. So, para clear yung vision, I'll just have to give it to energizing. There's energizing attack too. Pero base attack yan. Maybe I'll give it here. Diba? Just so I have two energizing starts. Okay. Then Verso got combo attack, then combo attack, and then energy master. I got him accelerating shot. So basically, he's my shot dealer. Anything with mark and shots, gagawin niya. Okay? Sniper. Talagang need niya yung sniper. Yes, teamwork, weakness gain. May teamwork ba siya, ano? Yeah, may teamwork to. Teamwork. Of course, painted power, meron sila. Murang-mura yung painted power. Alam ko, 5 ano lang. 5 AP lang. That's my verso. Coral Limb. Di ko alam ano magandang weapon but I'm using Coral Limb on Dunay. 100% critical chance when Force Stains are active. So, mag-activate talaga yung mag-crit talaga yung Elemental Genesis mo. Then, 20% increased damage, critical hit, supply burn. Hindi ko alam kung yan yung for Elemental Genesis build, pero yan yung ano. Si Moso, yes, I beat Simon. So, this is like that. I got Endbringer, Phantom Stars. Okay. Overload. If I want to reveal all my AP, there's a Zone 0. Kung gusto ko i-increase yung bago, Perfect Recovery. Then, this is my bread and butter follow-up kasi I will be doing shots. So, once I do shots, wag na finish ko, S-rank to AP lang, follow-up. Mael is simple, cheater, shield affinity, warming up, lahat ng mga gandang pick to nasa kanya. Yan. Yes, solidifying. And may Clea's life pa to. I think she doesn't have Clea's life, right? Clea. Oh, wala. Kasi ang problema kasi si Mael, abang ni Mael, ni Mael, naka-tainted siya and inverted affinity. So if mag-heal siya kay Clea, matadamage siya. Roulette, of course, just for more chances to one-shot using the skill Steindal. So last chance, Steindal ulit. Beautiful. Breaking rules for the shield, Rain of Fire for the fire, Phantom Strike for AoE. Di ko alam kung papalitan ko yung Gustav so much for like Momentum Strike. Siguro ano, yun nga natin. Momentum Strike na nga lang tayo. Then this one, I got Joyaro. Joyaro starts battle with Mighty Mask. This is for Monaco. And 20% increase. Parang same lang kay Lunay. On the passive, the weapon plus break damage is doubled when in Almighty Mask. I used to build him as a time bomb, yung mamamatay. Kaso nag-i-spin pala yung yung ginagamit ko yung auto-death build eh. Nag-i-spin pala yung Roleta kung mamamatay ka eh. But I build him as a support. Palitan na lang natin ito. I build him as a support. So, yan. Lamp Master Light is my damaging skill na Best Wind. Maganda kasi to kasi pre-turn, 0 AP pag naka-caster. Pag heavy mask, I will apply 45 with shield. And then Contortionist Blast is my heal pag balance mask. And then I got 2 caster masks here. Isang powerful, isang portier energy. This will give me a lot of chance, okay? Then, maganda yung niya, energizing start, energizing turn, energizing start, tatlo. Got like more APs to burn. So, yeah. Lamp Master Light deals height to all enemies one hit, increase damage on each cast. So, every time I hit Almighty Mask and cast this, i-increase yung kanyang damage. Yeah, that's my Expedition 33 build. Let me just test my Lunay. Okay. Test natin si Lunay dito. Kay Creations. Okay. So we still got Mael naman. Okay, we act first. What we're gonna do elemental trick to one of them. See? 4 stains. And we still got, and I can go Elemental Genesis. 1, 2, 3. See? And then with double burn, I got so many burn stacks. Take them up. 8. And I got 8 AP left. Then next, we're gonna go Fortune Fury. If we use this, how do we go? Lunay build, ICL support, and then intervention. Making her go to intervention, Lunay will deal double damage. So let's go elemental trick again. Dito tayo sa 16 stacks of burn. Okay. We got 24 stacks of burn. Again, Elemental Genesis. 1, 2, 3. So, the HP melts na. Then, we're just gonna finish up with Phantom Strike. Yeah. I think this build will work. You know? I just need the right weapon talaga for an Elemental Genesis build. But yeah. Yeah. By the way, Saturday, I will try to finish the story. Inahanap ko na lang yung mga audio file. Pero pwede ko naman gawin yun. Tapusin na natin yung kwento. Di ko kasi plano yung platinum to. Okay? So, I much rather look for the audio file when I can... Parang pagkatapos ko talunin yung boss, di ba? Pwede pa pa ituloy yung laro. Dahil doon ko na lang gawin. Okay? Kasi feel ko that's like the only thing left. I got like Leah's Life. I got like Leah's Life na ako. I got Simoso. See my Simoso strategy. Sige. Reset natin yung mga kalaban. Oh yeah. All throughout the video, nakita nyo, stand tayo dito. Sige, mag-Simoso tayo. How do we do this? Additional to. Get pure support tayo. So we got two supports, Monaco and CL. Pakita ni yung Simoso build. Yung nakita ko sa YouTube. Okay. So we're gonna hit this guy here. Got 780. Okay, guys, dapat pala mataas yung aking energy. I need more energy. Same with CL 6. I think is enough. I want more energy. So as you can see, I can regenerate AP while shooting because of energizing shots. Pero chance yun. It's like 50-50 chance. Okay na. So, hindi pa tayo dito. Ayan. And then I also got burning shots. Ayan. Since I have cheater, I can do this. And I can go again. Then I can move to S rank. And then I can just shoot how many I want. Basta may 2 AP ako left to do follow up. Yan, 2 AP left. So ilang beses ako nag-shoot, when I do follow up, it's gonna deal huge damage. Twice. Okay, 8 AP. I want to run I actually want to run Monaco. So gagawin ko all set. And then start cleansing just to propagate the buffs. Monaco, as you can see, almighty yung kanyang wheel. So I'm gonna do Lampmaster's Light. See? Medyo mahina kasi alam mo yun, the Lampmaster Light needs more tawag dun, more times na gamitin siya. Okay, so I got Twilight. Then we're gonna do Dark Cleansing again. Then I'm just going to do this again. Shot. Just gonna build the S rank here. You can build your S ranks with shots. By the way. Look at those damage. Resistance yun dun ha. Partida na yun. Then we can finish it up with this. Yeah, that's the showcase of my lineup in Expedition 33. Yeah, I think we need more, ano ba yung nangyari ba't lumipat sa ano? Gusto ko makita eh. So Darton, again, I'm not really sure why it switched. Kasi yung nangyari all set. Wala mo sinabi dito na lilipat eh. So maybe there is a hidden passive talaga na sinasabi, lilipat to ano. So yeah, that's my Expedition 33 setup. That's also the review of Maninilik. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you on Tuesday for Kiss Kiss. This is your boy, the God Gamer, telling you goodbye and good night. Bye.